Need a quick cash advance? Dave might be the answer. I've put links in the description. Dave isn't your typical loan provider. It's a financial app offering up to $500 interest-free with no credit check. Perfect for covering emergencies, avoiding overdraft fees, or bridging to payday. Instead of interest, Dave uses optional tips. Need the money fast? Express transfers are available for a small fee. Just link your bank account, and Dave analyzes your finances to determine eligibility. Standard transfers take 1 to 3 business days, while express transfers arrive in minutes. No credit check means Dave is great for those with limited credit history. Your advance limit depends on your income and account activity. Beyond advances, Dave offers budgeting tools, job resources, and a no overdraft checking account. The extra cash feature unlocks higher advance limits. Remember, Dave's small, short-term advances aren't a long-term solution. It's ideal for managing cash flow issues and a cheaper alternative to payday loans or overdraft fees. Watch out for those express transfer fees, they can add up. Customer support is available via chat and email. Overall, Dave is a great option for quick, interest-free cash with no credit check. Need a small, fast loan? Dave could be your solution. Check the links in the description for more details.